If you're running a small business and trying to choose between Teamgate and Highrise as your CRM, you probably want the best option without wasting time. Both tools have strengths, but also some big limitations you should know about before committing. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which CRM fits your needs, or if there's actually a better alternative that gives you more for your money. First up, Teamgate is a cloud based CRM designed to help small and medium sized businesses manage their sales pipeline. The interface is clean, and the built in analytics are useful if you rely on data to make sales decisions. However, it's not the most beginner friendly. If you're new to CRM tools, the learning curve might slow your team down, especially since the automation features feel a bit rigid compared to some competitors. On the other hand, Highrise is simpler and more user friendly. It's great for teams that just need a basic contact management system without all the extras. But that's also its biggest weakness. It's lacking key features that modern CRMs offer, like advanced automation and integrations with popular marketing tools. If your business needs more than just contact storage and basic task management, Highrise can feel pretty outdated. Next thing, pricing. Teamgate has multiple tiers, which gives you flexibility depending on your budget, but once you start adding more users or features, costs can add up quickly. Highrise, while simpler, also has a flat pricing structure that might work for smaller teams but doesn't scale well as your business grows. The third thing to consider is integrations. Teamgate connects with a decent number of third-party apps, but not as many as some of its competitors. If you're already using tools like Zapier, Google Workspace, or accounting software, you'll want to check if Teamgate supports them. Highrise, however, has even fewer integrations, which makes it difficult to automate processes or streamline your workflow. The fourth thing, customer support. Teamgate offers live chat and email support, but some users have reported slow response times. Highrise, meanwhile, lacks real-time support, which can be frustrating if you run into issues and need quick answers. So, which CRM is best for small businesses? It really depends on what you need. Teamgate is better if you want deeper analytics and sales tracking, but it's not the easiest to use. Highrise is simple and clean, but it lacks modern CRM features that many businesses rely on today. That being said, after trying all of these myself, I found that there's actually a much better CRM for small business needs, one that's easy to use, packed with features, and offers a free trial with exclusive benefits for our viewers. If you want the best option, check the first link in the description and take advantage of the offer while it's available.